Let's be real, gaming has become a regular part of life of every human being. Well, maybe not everybody, but what surely is really important is to have a lit way of promoting your gaming team, your game app, or even your YouTube or Twitch channel. In this video, I'll show you the best top 3 mockups for gamers that you can find at Placeit. Device mockups. If you're a gaming app designer, you might find yourself in need to create some iPhone mockups for your game. Select any electronic device and place a screenshot of your game, and that's it! No extra software needed. Get your game ready to be promoted in a very professional way. Team mockups. Put the name of your game in all the t-shirts of your new gaming team. I am talking about really epic games team mockups, perfect to show off and publish anywhere. What's really cool about these mockups is that you can change the background over and over and over and refresh it anytime you need it. Joystick mockups. Classic one. If you want to promote your YouTube or Twitch channel, these cheerful joystickers are perfect for it. It's just a matter of a few clicks to place your logo and voila! You're ready to post it on your blog, channel, Facebook, Instagram, or all. Head over to Placeit to review all the other still photos, gaming logos, videos and interactive videos that we offer. You can find the links to the top 3 mockups down in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe.